What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve you one example regarding circular motion. It is saying that an Earth satellite moves in a circular orbit 640 kilometers above Earth's surface with a period of 98 minutes. What are the speed and magnitude of the centripetal acceleration of the satellite? So we know the velocity is gonna be distance divided by time. Distance is gonna be the perimeter of the circle, which is 2 pi r divided by the period. So here you have 2 pi. What is r? R is gonna be the distance of this satellite to center of the Earth. So it's gonna be 640 kilometers times 1000 to make it in meters, plus the radius of the Earth, which is 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6. That's gonna give you 7.01 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. You sub it there, 7.01 times 10 to the power of 6 meters divided by period, which is 98 minutes. And you need to convert it to second, so it's going to be 60 seconds per minute. When you calculate it, it's going to give you 7.49 times 10 to the power of 3 meters per second. Now, if you want to find out the acceleration, it's going to be v squared over r, which is 7.49 times 10 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 divided by radius, which is 7.01 times 10 to the power of 6. That's gonna make it around 8 meters per second squared. So that's gonna be the acceleration. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.